I started very small, very, very small. And then I started seeing me growing. Because we started just with a small room here. And today you can see we have one of the biggest facilities, I guess, in Uganda for production of herbal medicine. My grandmother was a herbalist. My grandfather was a herbalist. I did not know that I would come to this until I started hearing some voices, some dreams, visions showed me different kinds of medicines. So I told my mother, she said to me, I think God is saying something. And my vision is by 2030, we want to be the biggest in this East African region in the production of herbal medicine.
Traditional medicine in Uganda has been used since time immemorial. I was born and I found the people already using traditional medicine. And if you ask them, they will tell you that it is used by their forefathers and that the knowledge has been passed on from one generation to another.
People with the traditional knowledge are highly respected, especially here in Uganda. If you want to be respected, you must be having traditional knowledge. People come for consultation. They ask how things used to be. We have quite a number of traditional practitioners, over like 400,000 registered with us. We work together with the government through National Drug Authority so that we can promote the traditional medicine. And the mandate of National Drug Authority is to promote herbal medicine. For intellectual property right, sometimes back people have been ignorant about it. But with the intervention of URSB sensitization, people are now picking up. And now many herbalists are now registering their intellectual properties and even the trademarks. And the trademarks are helping them so much because now the product can be identified.
What I was looking at is the issues of branding, because there are very many products in Uganda, but the challenge is branding. Even when the product is very good and you have given a poor branding, believe me or trust me, you will not sell. People will not understand you. I have registered already 12 trademarks, and many others I am going to do it, because I know when I do that, I am taking my business to another level.
I have brand of soap, bathing soap. I make bathing soap from shea, roasted shea. And then also I have so many products of herbal medicine. Everybody is proud of it because they see the kind of product that they are using from the branding. It makes it beautiful and also amazing for someone to buy. It is attractive. My experience with herbalism is that it is like knowledge sharing. It means they are retaining the knowledge. They don't want that knowledge to get lost. And it is linked to the culture in such a way that the maintenance, like other places, it is maintenance of the knowledge sharing for children and generations to come. I inherited from my grandparents my experience with herbalism, but I could dream of medicine, I could dream of herbs, I could dream of a tree for healing. And then also I had a dream, a very nice dream, which has come to pass. It's a prophecy because when I dream, the instruction says, go and do the work of herbs.
The different chronic conditions like diabetes, like sickle cell, like different anemias, can be managed with herbal medicines. However, we need to preserve and conserve because many of the endangered species are not being protected. So our garden here is like a genetic bank. Uganda is so rich in biodiversity. Every plant which is around us, even the flowers that we plant in our compound, many of them are having medicinal value. These discoveries needs to be protected, and that is why intellectual property protection and intellectual property management is taking us by storm.
We have high expectation that in the future traditional medicine will be like a modern medicine, because now people have accessed knowledge, people have gone to school, people are able to exchange ideas from one to another. Machines are being brought from other countries, so in the future medicine will be of high value.